I'm Chase. My artist name is Chase.the.Feeling. Chase.the.Feeling on YouTube and Instagram, and I'm gonna play some originals. Normally I would play blindfolded, but I did lock my keys in my car, and my blindfold is in my car, so I can't do that, but I do have sunglasses. Yeah! So this one is called Bleed Me Dry. I haven't played it here before.
Eager body ready for the world to carve. My cup does not overflow. The wells run dry and the waters are low, but the meager drops I possess exceed what I deserve. So bleed me dry, take me for all that I'm worth. I don't give a damn if it hurts. Drain this body that I
This next one, I'm planning to release it soon. It's called Made for the Better.
It's been a journey that I can't explain, but I know day I pray that this love will last forever. I've been changed for the better. It's been a road, it's been a ride. I don't understand, though I've tried. I've never imagined that all this could happen, but after this I'll say that I know sometimes the pain brings change that's been made for the better. I'm not gonna lie, I've cried a few times, but I have never thought that it'd go this way. Every day I pray that this love will last forever. I've been changed for the better, and I know sometimes the pain brings change that's been made for the better. I'm not gonna lie, I've cried a few times, but I have never thought that it'd go this way. Every day I pray that this love will last forever. I've been changed for the better. I've been changed for the better.
Thank you. Alright, this last song I played here before, but I gave it a new verse. It's called Have You Ever. Also, the ETA for roadside assistance is 30 to 60 minutes, so yay, it's coming!
It'll be like 3 hours.
I hope not. USAA, you know.
Have you ever felt like there's nowhere to go, like there's nowhere the sun shows? I know that feeling, I'm just feeling so low. Have you ever felt like there's nothing to do? Feels like everyone's so far from you. Me too. It's something I've been going through. Have you ever just felt so insecure? Something's wrong and now and with no cure. Be sure your memory remains obscure. Have you ever just been playing with doubt, feeling like there's no way out? I know how it feels, helpless, you feel hopeless and you want to scream and shout. I know what you're thinking, but you're not the only one who's sinking. You're not the only one who's drinking the last drops from their cup. With the waves pull you down below, I'll be waiting in the undertow. And if you breathe me in, we can begin to float on. I'll forever be lurking at the seaside, watching as the waves collide. I've cried over enough tears to rival the tide. My friend, I've been there before, and I pulled myself back ashore. It was torture, but for you I'll time the rope and jumping in once more. I know what you're thinking, but you're not the only one who's sinking. You're not the only one who's drinking the last drops from their cup. With the waves pull you down below, I'll be waiting in the undertow. And if you breathe me in, we can begin to float up. Hope you never let your fears get in the way. Hope you always make the most of each day. Being afraid, 'cause one day you look back at all the time you've thrown away. spend your life chasing your dreams, pursuing all the things that break